keep me soaring now. Giving my soul, I pour it out. Been honest before, what you seeing now? Back when I couldn't afford a house, I used to sleep in the Prius, no heater on site at my campus. Dropped out for a job, I just couldn't manage. Was racking up debt, made it hard to see family. I ran out of panic, I started to grind at the studio. Don't tell my girl I was homeless, was wasting the time that we could've spent. Too focused, not folding, I'm used to this. I'm not complaining, but shit get harder and I know what my worth is. I waited my turn, look at me flourish. I want them to know what they're seeing right now is me beating my curses. I only got one life to live, trying to keep my headspace clear. Been off the meds for the feels, trying to run it up while I'm here. Really, I am what I is. I went and became who they feared. She want me to be someone different. All of this ice in my veins. Lately, it feel like my mind is out of their range. I'm healing the funnel to pain. Let me stop for a minute to see all this shit that we never did think we would see. We was just kids in the cul-de-sac, in the class with a giant heart, the memory caught in a photograph. I used to sit on the roof with my daddy, then listen to trains go by. Then later he told me he used to do things to numb out the feel of his brain on fire. Yeah. I'm not really sure what to say, cause the last time I seen him, his sister just passed and I wasn't there. Too busy, LA had me addicted to people perception of me. No niggas to cast me as enemy. I used to wish I was current me. I'm excited to see who I'm finna be. I'm ready to grow to a better person. Looking back, I'm already a better person. If you hate me, they hate me, so be it. First, let me give you the reason. Ayy, trying to keep my headspace clear. Been off the meds for the feels, trying to run it up while I'm here. Really, I am who I is. I went and became what they fear. She want me to be someone different. Ayy, yeah, trying to keep my headspace clear. Been off the meds for the feels, trying to run it up while I'm here. Really, I am who I is. Yeah, only got one life to live.